Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if I look a little weird, that's because I am a little weird, but I don't have on any mascara, and that is because today we are going to be doing a mascara wear test, review, demo. We're going to test this mascara today, and I'm going to let you guys know how it does. So this is a new mascara to the world. I'm a little behind just a little bit. I guess I should tell you what it is. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, and I have mine in the shade Blackest Black. Now this says it will make you have full fluffy lashes, and 85% said they saw bold full volume with no overload, and then 92% said they saw length in their lashes, and then 4 out of 5 love the lash look. We're just going to be applying this today and see if it's worth your dollar bills. I look so creepy right now. Also, my bronzer comes off so orange on camera. I don't understand. Okay, so this packaging is like a really soft matte type packaging. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute and pink. It is that soft matte kind of feel touch, but it also feels kind of cheap. Like, not lying, it feels kind of cheap. So this is what the brush looks like. It's just a nice thick chunky wand. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it to one lash, and then I'm going to zoom you guys in and let you see the difference in my lashes. I always hate the way I apply mascara because I just do a lot of blinking and I feel like that's weird. Okay, so there are my lashes with one coat. Honestly, right now it looks like nothing special. It did lengthen, but I don't see any volume whatsoever. But we will apply 2 coats and then we will see how it goes from there. Also, don't mind the fact that I got mascara on my lid. It always happens. Always. I'm going to apply a second coat of mascara. Okay, so there is the second coat of mascara compared to no mascara. I don't think that it's bad necessarily. I just don't see the volume really. It's more lengthening, which in that case, yeah, it did really good. It lengthened my lashes. They're all black. I don't know if I like it. You know, it's not like bad, but it's not my favorite either, you know? So I'm going to apply it to the other eye and then come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so here are both eyes with the mascara on. Now I don't think it's bad, but you can tell that it did do more of a lengthening thing than it did volumizing. Maybe I'll get a little closer and you can see. Maybe I'm just being a princess, but I feel like you can tell it just lengthened and not really volumized all that much. And this is weird, so I'm going to back away now. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on the mascara are, I think it's good. I personally like more of a volumizing look just because my lashes in general are already pretty long, so I don't really have problems with wanting them to look longer. It's more of I want them to look fuller because I don't have a lot. I mean, it's just personal preference. Also, I do want to mention something. I don't know if you guys have ever felt this, but like when you're putting on the mascara wand, like when you're blinking it on, have you ever used a wand that was kind of like itchy? I don't really know how to explain it, but it felt like every time I was putting it, like blinking to put it on my eyes, that it was like scratching my eyes. And like I want to itch them still. I don't know if you've ever had that happen because this is the first mascara I've used that's ever happened. So I don't know what that's all about. Maybe my eyes are just really sensitive today or something. But as of right now, it's not my favorite mascara, but I don't absolutely hate it. I will definitely try it out some more because sometimes I don't like mascaras when they're like really wet type of formula. I like them better when they're kind of dried out after you've opened them and used them a few times. So we'll see how that goes. I will continue using this and I will let you guys know later. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! You're my music, but you tear me to pieces away.